Hello everyone. Today we have an interesting problem. Solve for a where a plus 1 cube is equal to 1. So let we move toward the solution of this problem. We take this 1 on the right side to the left and it will become a plus 1 cube minus 1, that is equal to 0. We have a famous formula, that is a cube minus b cube. This is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. We will use this formula on this equation. Here we can write this 1 as 1 cube. So here on the place of a cube is a plus 1 whole cube minus 1 cube. So this equation will give us a plus 1 cube minus 1 cube. This is equal to a plus 1 minus 1 into a plus 1 square plus a plus 1 into 1 plus 1 square. This is equal to this 1 will be cancelled out with this one, and this is equal to a times a plus 1 square plus a plus 1, when multiplied with 1 it will give a plus 1, and plus 1 square is equal to 1. So simplifying this one, a times a square plus 2a plus 1 plus a plus 2, and this will leads to a times a square plus 3a plus 3. Keep in mind that this all was equal to 0, so I am going to write this is equal to 0, again this is equal to 0, this is 0, and this implies that a times a square plus 3a plus 3, that is equal to 0. This will give that either a is equal to 0 or a square plus 3a plus 3 is equal to 0. This is one solution, a is equal to 0, and the other two solutions from this quadratic equation we can find by the quadratic formula, that is equal to a will be equal to here a will be, I am using quadratic formula, this is b term, this is c, and the coefficient 1. So a will be equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 1 into 3 square root whole divided by 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus 3 plus minus, this is 9 minus 12. So this is 9 minus 12, that is under root minus 3 over 2. The final answer will be a is equal to first answer is 0, which I write here is 0. Second answer will be minus 3 plus 3 iota over 2, and third answer will be minus 3 minus square root of 3 iota over 2. That is the required answer. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.